How's it going, everyone? Mike here with the first week of June Merch by Amazon sales review. Okay, whoa, had to actually think about that one. I've missed a few days, so this is kind of like a daily sales update video, but what I'm going to do is basically just do the last 4 days, the last 3 days. Today's the 4th, beginning of the day, no sales yet in the US, 2 sales in Japan so far. But basically what I want to do is, like I said, the last sales update video that I've done was month in review for May, and I haven't done any since then, so let's get right into it. Again, if you like these videos, if you find the content interesting or helpful, hit that like button. If you're watching this but haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It really does help this channel. It gets it basically in front of other people. It's just a YouTube algorithm that basically controls it that way, and like I said, like, subscribe, and it will get it in front of more people. So June started actually as at least a bit of a consistent month. Now what I've noticed is so this month for the first 4 days, so today is included, right? But again, it's the beginning of the day, so we're basically looking at the 3 days. So far, 22 sales in the US. So 22 sales in the US for the last 3 days, first, second, and third. Now, the last 7 days, and this is the average, so the 7-day average has slowly been creeping up. So I've been actually saying it in April and May. The average had dropped, but now basically what I'm seeing is consistency, and then the other markets are slowly picking up. Again, just 3 days, right? But again, that's the activity that we're seeing. Now, my expectation, again, is because it's summer, I always expect the sales to drop, but we can't ignore the fact that that I'm uploading thousands of products every single week, every single month. So that's going to come into play at some point, hopefully. So far, it hasn't. So far, I've noticed that I really haven't been selling a lot of new products, especially the ones that I've been uploading in the last, let's say, 2 to 3 weeks. So 7 sales in just the US market, 7 sales on the first, 6 on the second, and 9 yesterday. And that brings us to the total of 30 across all the marketplaces. So as you can see here, Japan has its moments, right? I honestly, out of all the marketplaces, I completely did not expect to get any sales in Japan when all this was starting out. But again, Japan doesn't disappoint, and it's interesting. I really want to kind of do some kind of research to see what is trending over there, what's selling, and all that kind of stuff, because I don't know. So again, overall, this brings us to an average of 10 sales a day, which again, that 10 sales a day is like the core number that we're looking at on average. And if that happens, that's perfect. It's going to be a good day, because that's going to bring us to, 300 or more sales a month overall, not looking at the US. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to drag this on too much. What I want to say is it's definitely interesting. It's there's a lot going on. I've expressed my optimism and enthusiasm about Merch by Amazon the last couple of weeks, months, and that's still how I feel. Like, look at this number. And it's even more across all the marketplaces, and that's getting deposited in your bank account, with everything else that you hopefully you guys got going on as well. I do too. Online store, eBay, Etsy, trading, investing, anything else that you actually might do to make some extra cash, and money starts adding up, right? So my take on this is, let's just keep pumping. Let's keep uploading, because we have a million products to go, a million plus. So any day that we lose, like I've been saying, we lose those 400 uploads, we'll never get them back. And my goal has been to keep uploading, and I definitely will every single day. Merch Titans Automation, best thing that I've ever done, is paid for that the subscription, and I'm definitely using it. So anyways, I'm just gonna do the quick review. 22 sales in the US, 30 total sales for the 3 days, and 7-day average is slowly creeping up, which is great. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.